What is going on, guys? Dylan here with Stihl Kh131 Landscaping, and thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm actually doing the intro to the video you're about to watch after I had recorded the video. I completely forgot to do an introduction to it, so this is it. So obviously from the title, I had done some damage to a customer's property. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys along for the ride to the store, get what I need to get to fix what I had damaged. Also, on the way to the property, I'm going to give you my thoughts on some things that I think you should think about if you do cause damage to someone's property, whether it be on the customer's mindset or your mindset. There's some key things that I want you guys to focus on if you do cause damage to someone's property. It's something to think about. So anyways, guys, I'm going to quit talking. Let's hit that intro.
Lowe's is like the best and the worst place to shop. You'll come in this place not wanting to buy anything in particular, or come in for one thing and walk out with 5 things. Tell me if you guys have that issue. And you know you have to check out the garden section. I'm looking for the cap of like where a spouting drain kicks out to the yard, and there's that green cap. That's what I'm looking for. I clipped on with the mower. Somehow it popped up and I caught it. Makes no sense. Yahtzee! That's all we needed. Complete devastation. Now we need to go check on some metal rods because it's goose season here in Ohio, and we're making some motion stakes. So I need to get that and a cutting blade for my grinder. Shameless plug for something I'm not sponsored by yet. Sure can if you're watching this. Give me a call. Ooh. Making a comeback. Ah, good old Lowe's. Actually didn't do too bad. Got what I need and that's it. I think it may have been my cheapest Lowe's adventure. Alright guys, so as you saw there, I was just in Lowe's. I was picking up the replacement part for that drainage cover. You know, I've cut this property all year. Just happened to catch it the wrong way, I guess. So anyways, I was going around the perimeter of the house, and where that downspout cover is, I guess you'd say, or the drainage cover, my tire must have just caught it on the right angle and kicked it up. Well, I guess I just mulched up his drainage cover. You know, really nothing bad happened. I mean, it was facing away from the house and everything, so just like I said, it just caught the deck and it run over with the mower. But the point is though, is guys, if you do any damage at all to someone's property while you're out there providing whatever service, you know what I mean, whether you send a rock, you know, into a window and it cracks it, shatters it, you know, you, I don't know, back up into a mailbox or whatever, something small like this, anything at all, you know, just make sure you do the right thing, own up to it, and call the customer and let him know. So when he showed up, I walked him over there, explained to him what had happened, told him, you know, I'll be out the next day or two to replace this, no big deal at all. And he was like, oh man, that's fine, don't worry about it, you know, just get to it when you can, and I appreciate you telling me. Guys, the last thing you want to do is do damage and that customer call you and say, hey, we had a window cracked or whatever. Was that you by chance? And you say, oh no, that wasn't me, that wasn't me. Well, right then, you have a negative image, because they're going to be thinking like, okay, did this guy really not do it? You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't there when we left, but when you know, after you got done servicing it and they got home, their window is cracked. It takes one phone call just to let them know what had happened, and that is it. If this was 10 bucks, I would be surprised. I would be very surprised if it was $10. So it's like, what's 10 bucks? You know what I mean? Like, I broke it, go replace it. You know, think of that being on the back end of it. Say you were that customer and you hired someone in to do some remodeling to your house, and as they were carrying equipment up, they dinged your walls. Then you call them out on it, like, that wasn't us, that wasn't us. You see what I mean? You're gonna have that bad image, and you know, you're more likely never gonna call them again, or you'll drop them or whatever they're doing, whatever. But guys, it's really just a simple phone call to save your butt. Always be keeping a positive energy between you and your customers, because the last thing you want is for every time you show up, them to walk around their house to make sure that you didn't damage something. You know what I mean? It's just it's just negative. I guess that's what I'm getting at, is it's just a negative thing. Try to keep the relationship with your customers absolutely positive.
And also, from not doing an intro, my battery also died on the GoPro as I was recording that as well. So what a really just totally messed up vlog, you know what I mean? Like I said, always make sure that you are keeping the relationship between your customer and you as positive as can be. You want it to where when you show up to a job, whether it's to be to, you know, just do a weekly mowing, to do a landscape install, a leaf cleanup, whatever it is, that they have absolutely nothing to worry about, and when you are done doing work at their property, it is going to look absolutely amazing. You want that every single customer. So guys, that is it for this one. I hope you got some good information out of that. Sorry I have not been posting as much content as I would like to be. We are at school startup season, and that is just meaning more hours at my full-time job, which is getting me out later, which is putting my mowing time from this much after work to this much. We've been getting a lot of rain here lately, so the schedule is just trying to get properties done when I can. If you follow me on Instagram, you're seeing that, you know, that we're doing landscape jobs. So guys, it's just been a busy month. But GIE is coming around the corner, and guys, I cannot wait to go. This is my first year going. I'm going to be there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I cannot wait to see you guys. I'm hopefully going to be posting a video here soon. My thoughts about the GIE Expo and some things you guys should be looking for me for. So guys, I cannot wait to drop that video. Anyways, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you guys have ever done any damage, what you try to do with your customers if you do cause damage, maybe some things I didn't mention, or maybe some things that you do that really work out for your benefit. Guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and boys, we'll see you in the next one.